Hi, Kinley. Can you smile for Mommy? Can you smile? Yeah? You gonna talk? What are you saying? Are you getting mad? You getting mad at Mommy? Why don't you smile? Ooh. Ooh. Sorry. Sorry about that. Why are you so mad at Mommy? Why don't you smile? Why don't you smile? Oh, you want your bink? You want your bink? Want your bink? Are you gonna smile? No? Ooh. Those are some good angry looks. Those are good dirty looks. Good girl. Ready? Now smile. Smile. Hi, honey. Hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I make you so upset. Oh, I think someone's pooping. Yep. Oh.